Most of the time, our photo workflow begins with the digitizing of real images, either by scanning photos or capturing real scenes with a digital camera. A complete color management workflow begins with profiles for these input devices. i1Profiler includes a workflow to create ICC profiles for scanners, which can be transmissive or reflective. Please note that profile creation for digital cameras is included as an extra software in your i1 Photo or i1 Publish Pro 3 solutions. This is called Color Checker Camera Calibration. With this extra software, it is possible to create DNG camera profiles based on a camera's raw data. Additionally, this software can also create ICC-based camera profiles. Creating ICC profiles for your scanner is done in i1Profiler and is quite easy. First, you will need to scan a physical test chart. There are a couple of scanner test charts for reflective and transmissive scanner profiling supported by i1Profiler. The X-Rite Color Checker Digital SG chart, the Color Checker Classic, the X-Rite Monaco ISO IT8.7-2 reflective and transmissive charts, as well as some IT8.7-2 charts from other vendors, as well as the Hutchison scanner targets. Note, for reflective scanner profiling, the Color Checker Classic Mini Chart is included by default in your i1 Photo and i1 Publish product kits. Scan your chart with all color conversions and corrections disabled, and save the scan in the scanner's raw native RGB color space. When the scan is ready, launch i1Profiler, select your corresponding scanner test chart, load your scanned image, and crop it accordingly. Even without cropping, the i1Profiler software can usually find the color patches in your scan automatically. Then, you will load the corresponding reference file for your chart. This reference file contains measurement data for every color patch of the scanned target. These reference files are provided by the vendors of the test charts. i1Profiler does include many of these reference files for convenience, but please understand that new files are generated as new batches of targets are produced. After the reference file is selected, i1Profiler can connect the RGB values from the scan with the measurement values from the reference file and then build the ICC profile. The ICC profile can now be assigned as the source profile for all of your production scans and your images, and the resulting color will always look as close as possible to the originals.